Space, the final frontier. To explore strange new worlds, to seek out new life and new civilizations, to boldly go where no man has gone before.
This is America in Space, a weekly news and information program on current events. From our Washington Bureau is your host of America in Space, Rick Potlock.
March and April have not been good months, both on Earth and in near space. COVID-19 has affected more than 2 million people, and in near space, several objects have passed close to Earth. NASA's Center for Near-Earth Object Studies, called CNOS, has detected objects traveling across our solar system toward Earth. The first object was identified by CNOS as 2020 FH and approached Earth in mid-March at a distance of about 1.4 million miles away, and 2020's FH diameter was estimated at 118 feet. The second object was a smaller object called 2020 FG, and CNOS estimated its speed was 34,000 miles per hour and a 52-foot wide diameter. It approached Earth at a much closer 341,000 miles away the day after 2020 FH passed Earth in mid-March. Another space rock in early March, called 2020 EF, made its close Earth pass at 3.9 million miles. And this month, the asteroid ID'd as 1998 OR2 passed us at about 3.9 million miles away, traveling at 19,000 miles per hour. 1998 OR is by far the largest object at 1.2 miles across and is classified as a potentially hazardous object even though it posed no threat to Earth. A PHO is classified if it is bigger than 500 feet and comes within 5 million miles of Earth. NASA has committed to future Artemis missions with more SLS rockets. The agency awarded Aerojet Rocketdyne of Sacramento, California, a contract to produce 18 additional space launch systems. The contract is worth $1.79 billion with a B dollars. The figure includes labor to build and test the engines, produce tooling, and support SLS flights powered by the 18 engines. These engines have launched more than 100 space shuttle missions and have been modified to be even more powerful to launch the next astronauts during the Artemis missions. Each SLS rocket uses 4 RS-25 engines that provide a total of 2 million pounds of thrust to send the SLS into space. The rocket engines for the Artemis mission have already been assembled as part of the core stage, which is currently in the testing stage. And to remind everyone, Artemis is the next step in human exploration, first to the moon by 2024 and then to Mars. David, a Northport, Alabama high school student, has won NASA's Name the Mars Rover contest. Destined to become the first aircraft to attempt powered flight on another planet, the Mars helicopter now has a name. Rapani's essay was among 28,000 essays submitted to NASA by the K-12 students from every U.S. state and territory, recommending names for the helicopter as well as the next Mars rover. In March, NASA announced that 7th grader Alexander Mather's essay earned him the honor on naming the rover Perseverance. So congratulations to Alexander Mather for naming the Mars rover Perseverance and to Miss Rapani for naming the Mars helicopter Ingenuity. Reporting from the Washington News Bureau, I'm Rick Potlock.